Happy birthday, Iris! I hope this year brings you better health, lots of joy, and special moments with your loved ones. Wishing you all the best on your special day. Utanjo bi omedito!
Hi Iris, happy birthday. I appreciate your commitment to our clinic and even your commitment to serving our Lord in His ministry. Enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Iris! I pray your days ahead are blessed with happiness, health, and the same warmth you show through your love for our team, our patients, and also animal.
Happy birthday, Iris. I hope your special day is filled with joy, love, and laughter. Wishing you continued success, good health, and happiness in everything you do. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Iris! May your special day be filled with joy, and may this year bring you health, peace, and many blessings. Thank you for the care you show to our team and patients.
Happy birthday, Iris! I want to take this time to thank you for all you have done for our team, for our patients. Your energy, your smile have been contribute to our positive energy every day. Thank you so much and hope you have a great birthday and also hope you continue having health, joy in your life. Happy birthday!
Hi Iris, happy birthday! Thank you for always showing your big smile for our patients. I hope you enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Iris! I love seeing your warm smile on our team meetings, and thank you for sharing that with our patients and with our team. I am so happy to see your growth in pursuing your health and in pursuing your personal and professional goals. I can't wait to see where you will be in pursuing God and with us on our team. Happy birthday. Have a great time.
Happy birthday, Iris. Want to wish you a phenomenal birthday. Just want to share that I appreciate your heart to serve your community, especially the young ones, the next generation. You're investing your most important asset, your time, by volunteering. And I so appreciate having such a person on our team that has that heart to help others, to pay it forward, and and just service above self. So have a great birthday, Iris.
Happy birthday.